Welcome to this video, in which we will show you how to apply the dressing for your catheter. Disinfect the area surrounding the catheter exit site with an alcohol swab. Make sure you leave it on for 30 seconds. It is also important to ensure that the skin around the catheter is completely dry before applying the new dressing. Place the foam slit compress around the catheter with the slit facing upward. Roll the catheter like a snail and place it on the compress. Then cover it with gauze compresses. For better application of the dressing, remove your gloves if necessary and disinfect your hands. Now take the self-adhesive film dressing and remove the printed protective film. Place the dressing centrally over the gauze pads and press it onto the surrounding skin. Then peel off the middle part of the unprinted protective film and remove the frame. To empty the bottle, you will need a cloth and a plastic bag. You can reuse the reservoir packaging for this purpose. Place the vacuum bottle on the floor. Open the roller clamp and lift the hose so that the remaining liquid can drain out. Close the roller clamp again. Open the bottle by pressing the rounded bottle opening with both thumbs from bottom to top. Place your index fingers on the opposite side of the bottle opener. Now carefully pull the drainage tube off the bottle opener. Press the pointed end of the bottle opener into the opening of the bottle and enlarge it by turning it. Now you can empty the contents of the bottle into the toilet. Place the vacuum bottle with the tube in the plastic bag and dispose of everything according to the local regulations of your city or municipality. If any liquid spills during the emptying process, clean the skin with water and soap and wipe all surfaces with an appropriate cleaner. Please note that reorder process is regulated differently depending on the country. Therefore, please adhere to the regulations applicable in your country. You can read these at any time at www.evamet.com.